In this video, I'm going to be breaking down how I went from a losing trader to a winning trader. This video is going to provide a ton of value, so if you do enjoy, please drop a like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and let's jump into the video. All right, guys, so before we get going on this video, I just want to let you know that I have created a new YouTube channel, RM Trading YT. I'll leave it in the description of the video, where I'm going to be posting my technical videos now. So if you like my technical videos, strategy videos, breakdown videos, anything of that nature, go subscribe to this channel. I'll pop it up right here. Go like the videos, watch the new videos. That's where all the technical videos are gonna be. This channel is gonna be exactly what it started as, psychology videos to help improve traders. Because I have a ton of traders who follow me from forex, indices, crypto, every type of market, honestly. And you guys love my psychology videos, so I figured this would be the absolute best way for me to go about it. So if you've been a long-term supporter of mine, you know the videos I used to make, psychology-based, vlog-based, day in the life-based. That's what's gonna be here, and then technical videos will be on the other channel. So make sure you go run that up. So when I was losing trader, guys, I probably was like you right now, or maybe you can reflect on this process. I was completely winging it. I was literally winging it. I was getting on the charts every single morning without a single plan. I had no idea what I was doing. I was simply getting on and trying to trade, trying to find opportunities right away. Regardless of the session, it simply didn't matter. And it was hilarious looking back at it. I literally had no concept of anything. I had no strategy, no sessions. I literally just got on, and it was just hilarious, okay? I literally got on and I just wanted to try and make money. I was honestly flying blind, and I was paying the biggest price financially. The worst part is I started off doing amazing. I remember to this day depositing $1,000 into a trading account. Keep in mind, I'm a student at the time, so that $1,000 to me meant a lot. And within that first week, I grew that $1,000 to $1,600. So I gained $600 on that account. I literally thought I was the king. I was calling the Lambo dealership, calling the Kardashians, calling LeBron James, telling them that there's a new big dog in town and to get ready for what's to come. Sure enough, Monday came, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I had lost all those profits and then some. I was quickly humbled. I ate a big piece of humble pie. This sort of cycle honestly repeated for months. I simply was following in the same routine of just getting on, winning, winning a bit, then losing it all. I had no risk management, no strategy. I didn't know what I was doing. I just was kind of winging it, right? I literally was winging it and trying to grow that account to, $1 million because I saw someone on YouTube claiming that you can, and I just kind of went for it. Now, you're probably here because you want to know how I turned it around and how I became a winning trader. And let's jump in. I started to take it serious. I started to buy education and start investing in my learning. This honestly helped a ton because I was now learning a strategy that worked. And at the same time, I felt that I needed to put in work because now I have purchased something. When I was watching free YouTube videos, etc., there wasn't really anything on the line. Yeah, I was losing money in trading, but as soon as I purchased something and actually bought education, I then felt the need to actually put the work in. Otherwise, that was just a waste of money. So then I'd be losing money trading and then losing money on my investment. I started journaling my trades. I started reviewing them over and over and over again. I started looking at all my winning trades, seeing if there was any common similarities there, seeing if I was taking trades according to the strategy that I was learning. I started going over my losing trades, seeing if there was any common similarities between the losses that I was taking. And I guarantee you, if you go over your winning trades and you go over your losing trades, you're gonna see common similarities, right? And yes, if you're sticking to your trading plan, losing trades are gonna look just like your winning trades, okay? Because your strategy isn't gonna work all the time. You have a consistent profitable edge over the market, and you don't know the random outcome of a series of trades, right? It could be win-win loss, it could be win-win-win, it could be loss-loss, win-win-win, win-loss, win-loss. You don't know what it's gonna be, but you just know you have an edge over the market. So by studying this data, you gain confidence in yourself and you actually see where you're going wrong and where you're going right. Then I started backtesting and forward testing my strategy. This helped immensely because I was starting to gain confidence in my strategy. I was putting the reps in. When you go to the gym, you get the reps in, that's how you get better. The same thing goes for putting the work into backtesting and forward testing. So backtesting, you're able to just get those reps in, right? At a very fast pace, right? So you can just go on there, pick a random date, and you can backtest 20 trades in a day. Think of how long that would take you if you were just sitting there forward testing, right? So I gained confidence in myself, I gained confidence in my edge, just simply through backtesting, right? And it's amazing. If you want to know the best backtesting software that I use, it's FX Replay. So I'll leave a 15% off discount code for you to go try. Just make sure you click the link in the description and then type in MacRay15 for 15% off. But yeah, it's seriously been amazing. And then forward testing is if you are just simply sitting there watching the market play out without executing any trades or just putting the risk to reward tool on there, that can help too. So Backtest and forward testing, that's something that took me to a whole other level. So now this process of journaling, backtesting, and forward testing lasted years, and I'm still doing it to this day. I'm a big believer in finding a strategy that works, and then the psychology will follow. Some traders say that psychology is 98% or 90% of trading, and although I do agree with you, there is a caveat to it. I don't care who you are, your psychology is only worth how good your strategy is. So if you have the best psychology in the world and a strategy that isn't making you money, your psychology doesn't mean anything. In my opinion, your psychology will improve the most when you have a winning strategy. So you gain the confidence in your back testing, you gain the confidence in your forward testing, you have the data that it's a consistent strategy. That's when your psychology improves a ton, because you just gain confidence because of the data, not because you read this book or you watched this podcast or anything. You have the data, that's where the confidence comes in your strategy, and that's what's gonna make you a better trader. That's what made me a way better trader, right? So once you have the strategy, then you can start to build the psychology. The psychology starts to come with it, in my opinion. And if you don't agree with that, that's completely fine. But again, your psychology is only as good as your strategy. I feel like they have to go hand in hand. And of course, once you have the strategy down, then it's about, doing the work and building that psychology, but it all backpacks off of having that consistent strategy that brings you results in the market. My strategy now is awesome. The RM trading strategy is amazing because it doesn't matter if I day trade, it doesn't matter if I swing trade, there's consistent results for it, which is why I'm so grateful that we have this strategy. And as a result is a massive psychology booster. Bad habits are going to break you as a trader, and good habits or great habits are going to make you as a trader. The Mac that was losing and was the losing trader was following bad habits, and if I just followed those bad habits along the years, I wouldn't have found any success. I probably wouldn't have even been trading. Whereas if you follow the great habits, the good habits, that's what's gonna get you to the next level. That's what got me to the next level in my trading. So audit yourself. Think to yourself, okay, are you doing what you need to do every single day to get to that next level in your trading? Are you journaling? Are you back testing, right? Do you have that edge over the markets? Are you working on your psychology from gaining confidence in your back testing, in your forward testing? You know what I mean? Like, are you doing the things you need to do? Are you putting in, the right systems in place to have these good habits that's gonna make you a better trader? Or are you just simply waking up every single day, jumping on the charts, no strategy, lost, just trying to make money, right? And yes, there's gonna be times where you make money in the market. That's where the luck can come in, but can you keep the money? Can you do it consistently? That's another thing, right? Like I said, I gained 60% in the first week trading on that account. No risk management, nothing. And then I thought I was sick. I was calling the Lambo dealership, like I said, but then reality hit me and I lost it all. And that account took a beating. I kept losing it, putting money in, losing it, and it was very stressful. So I'm grateful I made the decision to make the necessary steps to change and grow and create these good habits, because these great habits are things that I still follow to this day. And yeah, I thought I could just show up without a plan and make money. And as you guys know, that's just simply not how this thing goes. So focus on the habits I implemented in this video, and I think you will grow as a trader and become that consistent, profitable trader. And if you're already a consistent, profitable trader and you're just watching me, then I appreciate you so much. And what do I say at the end of every single video? Let's be 1% better every single day. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.